Welcome to your Activ8 system. Here's how to wear the OrthoCor Activ8 ankle system for therapy. Let's get started with setup. First, locate the battery and charging cable included with your system. Remove the battery from the garment pocket, ensuring it is unplugged from the garment. Then, plug it into the charger. Charging can take up to 8 hours. 4 illuminated lights indicate a full charge. Once fully charged, unplug the battery from the charger and insert it into the Activ8 system pocket with the logo facing out. Connect the battery to the system using the built-in USB cable inside the garment. The USB cable can be plugged into either port on the battery. Both work the same. Here's how to wear the OrthoCor Activ8 ankle system for therapy. The Activ8 system for the ankle can be applied in 2 ways, with the wrap opening toward the front or the back, depending on where your ankle pain is located. Start by placing the heel of your affected foot into the elastic stirrup. Adjust the stirrup using the hook and loop closure until the therapy markers are centered over your ankle bone or directly over the area you're treating. Fasten the straps across the front or back of your ankle, depending on your orientation, securing them to the loop surface to keep everything comfortably in place. When your therapy session is complete, gently remove the device from your body and disconnect the Activ8 battery from the system. If needed, charge the battery. A fully charged battery can last approximately 2 sessions before needing to be recharged.